same colors. They Hi Yalla! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Welcome guys! Wow. I haven't recorded an intro in a very fat minute. But we're here, we're blessed, we are here, we are back, and we are studying. It's a uni diary thing. We're studying. I have exams next week. I'm panicking, bro. I'm panicking. I went to a revision class today, and I mean, I understood what was being done.
Lies.
But when we wrote the tests, when we wrote the test, guys, let me tell you, my test 1 to test 2 marks, you would be like, two different people wrote this test because what do you mean you have 84% for test 1 and you have, I don't even want to say it, I'm embarrassed, guys.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed?
Guys, this is proof that you must study. If you're watching this, study. Like after this video, study. I was about to say turn off the video and study, but like after this video, you know, study. Because what do you mean? No. What do you mean? Guys, I got less than 60% for that test, and that's not a shocking mark like in university. That's a very, like, not very good, but it's a good mark because
I'm having a fucking panic attack right now. I need to calm the fuck down.
I am not having a good time thinking about that test. I wish I could retake it, but you know what? It's neither here or there. We are moving on, accepting the situation, and we are learning from it, and we're moving. So during my exams, I will do better. I promise I will. I know I will, because today when we were doing the revision, I was like, oh, I can do this. Like, my thing was correct. Everything was correct. Because I feel like I snort. Oh, I don't. Yeah. Let's get into the studying.
Baby, oh, I'm not much of a talker. Baby, oh, can I drink from your water? Baby, oh, meet me down by the river. We can dance to the rhythm till the sun is high and the water runs dry. Yes, we can make it far. Only the playable. That's what the words are for. What are you waiting? The sun is high and the water runs dry. Yes, we can make it far. Only the playable. That's what the words are for. What are you waiting? The sun is high and the water runs dry. Yes, we can make it far.
I took a nap, but I'm about to get up. It's about to be 5:30. When I get up and we're gonna work, there's no time to sleep. It's crunch time. Because I look like bigger here. Right, anyway. I made some lunch. I woke up and I made lunch. This is just bread with a chicken patty and potato chips, because I don't have anything to put, like, I don't have things to put in, you know. This is liquid fruits breakfast punch, and this is, as you can see, a yogurt bowl.
it does to me. So baby, what you trying to say? Lately all I want is you on top of me. You know where your hands should be. So baby, won't you come show me? I got you dreaming. You close your eyes, I am screaming. Play with your mind for no reason. I know you love how I tease it. You know that I'm playing. Leave the world behind and just tell them I'm doing fine. No, I haven't lost my mind. Doing fine.
Like there's something like
What time even is it? Not asking to end it. You got my attention. Not even a mention. We've been going for days, never running out of things to say. Got our heads all up in space. Got me feeling some type of way. You could have all my time. I'll go missing, but I'm doing just fine. I could leave the world behind and just tell them I'm doing fine. No, I mention. We've been going for days, never running out of things to say. Got our heads all up in space. Got me feeling some type of way. You could have all my time. I'll go missing, but I'm doing just fine. I could leave the world behind and just tell them I'm doing fine. No, I haven't lost my mind. Oh, I'm doing fine. Doing fine. I'm doing fine.
and it was good. I'm getting a bit like, what's the thing called? The itis. Like I need to sleep. I'm catching the itis, like I'm almost there. So yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Hi guys. It is the next day. I am going to the library. I'm a bit late. I was supposed to come back at 3. It's about to be, I think 11. I'm not sure. It's about to be 11. I need to get out of this house ASAP. So I need to fill my friend's water and my water. She forgot her water. I know it's wet, but it's like I'm gonna wipe it. I'm just in a rush. Yay, cracked. It's so annoying. But I think that's a full one, so should do the job. I'm gonna come back right now. Bottoms up. Yeah, out. Guys, not that late. I showered. much. Let me just show you. My camera was giving wonky, like it was very dirty, let's say. But I know my student card is in my bag, so I don't have to worry about that. Oh, I forgot the book I'm supposed to be taking back to the library today. Oh, I would have an overdue library account. We don't want that. So let me go back. I literally forgot it. Thank God I remembered it when I was still in the building. Still walking. I'm so tired, but I'm almost there. We are almost there. The sun, guys, yo, it is burning me, like literally burning me. But anyway, check to do. We're going to take a cab, but I'll be fine. Get my 10 on. I have arrived finally. Yeah. Let's go return the book. Here she is. Hi girl. How are you? Do you feel like you're in an office? Do you feel like it's in your office? You're in your office. I can tell.
It's that BMG.
Ass so fat. Damn. Ass so fat like. Damn. Ass so fat. Damn. Damn. Like. Damn. Like. Damn. Like.
Hey, yo, not the producer. Tell me to stop playing on your knee.
Ass so fat like. Ass so fat like.
Baby, the sound of you. I want you off my mind. And on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream. You're here with me. Boy, you don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time. I wanna love you in every kind of way. I wanna please you, no matter how long it takes. If the world should end tomorrow, we only have today. I'm gonna love.
I'm proud of myself, you know. But also, the last chapter 22, was actually so short. So that's how I managed to do 3. But when I get home, it's straight to reading. We are reading work. We are going through the work over and over and over again, because we're writing next week. In exactly a week, I am writing my exam. We're going home now, finally. But we're going to jog later. We'll see. Here's my dear friend. Say hi.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's up? What's up? Keep the money for me, that's all I know. Been here and I've been begging for a while, I know. We are running. We are jogging, in fact. I am already like super tired. We ran up, but it was like an incline run. I am already tired. This girl here, she only ran like what, 300 like meters. Hi girl.
Is that morning tea?
My chest is beating out of my heart is beating out of my chest. They lied. They said this is gonna be fun. It's not fun. Ikhathele kuyashisa ngaphansi kwale wiki and I am 5 to bag ikhulule, but I can't because I don't have anything to carry it in. Because not today, guys, I'm out of breath. But I'm gonna start running at that point. You see that board? I'm gonna start running and then, because what in the heck? And today is so hot, but pretty views, we love that. I finished my 3K, but at what cost? And what? I'm tired. Guys, I think I want to go in the water. Like in some way, shape or form, I want to go in. But walking back home.
And it was the same chorus. And it was not the right chorus in my head.
I got myself a treat. I didn't get myself, repay for me. But I did 3K and I'm proud of myself. See you guys at home. We're almost there.